What is going down? It's Sunday morning, May 10th, 2020, and a couple quick breaking news announcements. Number one, Babe is still unemployed, like so many people in this country right now, due to this pandemic, which is pretty horrible. And so if you saw our last video, Babe designed some merch, and the merch sales are going along. So if you ordered something, we really, truly appreciate it. Especially Babe. She really appreciates it because she has no form of income right now. So we're going to release some new designs. I want to put a couple designs up on the screen right here. And yeah, check it out. Link below, merch, support Babe, get some merch, send us a picture of you wearing it. We're going to put you in a video. It's going to be epic. Next announcement. You ever roll out of bed, got a little crusties in your eyes, and you go to your phone and you want to just lay there for a minute, maybe check out YouTube, something like that. And then you stumble on Cooking with Big Cat 305. Mike from Florida, which I want to retire in Florida. I like Florida. Babe and I had a good time in Florida. Mike makes this gigantic ass, loaded, humongous omelet on his Blackstone. I have a Blackstone. So I was like, I can make an omelet. So this video, I'm going to be making a gigantic ass loaded omelet with random stuff that I have in my refrigerator. I looked for a tomato. It had mold on it, unfortunately. I looked for a half of onion that we had in there. It also had mold on it. Babe, the refrigerator situation. We need to monitor it closer. But I do have stuff that doesn't have mold on it. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. We're going to make a big ass omelet on the Blackstone, 22-inch Blackstone flat top griddle right now, Sunday morning, inspired by Mike, Cooking with Big Cat 305. I would say go check out his channel, but he has help from the inside, so he has a lot of views and a lot of subscribers. That's all I have to say about that. Okay, here we go. It's omelet time. Buy your merch. Babe loves you. I love you. Mike loves you. Everybody loves you. It's omelet time. Here we go. Babe's not here, so I'll drink out of her cup. A little bit of black coffee. These are our ingredients for the omelet. Got a couple little of these bell peppers, these little baby ones. Little cilantro, 4 eggs. That's a spicy sausage that I found in there. This is black peppercorn bacon from the butcher. Let's see here. White, sharp, cheddar, provolone, American cheese. I don't know. We're going to just make a big old omelet out of everything you see right here. 4 eggs in a bowl. Let's just get these beat up here a little bit. And we'll put these aside. And then let's start chopping up a couple little things here. I'm gonna just do a rough little chop on these real quick. What is wrong with this cutting board? Babe, what happened to the cutting board? It's all wobbly and whatnot. Okay, I chopped up my little peppers, all nice. Now I'm gonna take this spicy sausage and I'm just gonna chop up a couple little pieces of it because I want some of that in my omelet. This cutting board needs to go in the trash. I need a good cutting board, and this is not it. Let's cut this up. We'll be right back. Move this. And we'll cut up some of this spicy sausage. We'll be back. Peppers, spicy sausage, black pepper bacon from the butcher. And I'm just gonna cut it up in a little bit, little pieces. There's like 3 pieces here. Let's get that all trimmed up. And we're almost ready to head outside to the Blackstone. It's not Florida, but it is California. So we got our little patio. I've been trying to clean it up a little bit. We got our pit barrel cooker or Weber kettle, but today we're gonna be focusing on the 22-inch Blackstone flat top griddle. Let's start to build this omelet. Blackstone's getting warm. One last look at all of our ingredients here, and then let's start to prepare. Okay, let's start first by laying down our protein. Got our chopped up bacon. Let's lay down this spicy sausage. We'll get that working. This bacon moved around a little bit. Now, while that's working, let's lay down some Chosen Foods avocado oil. Lay down our peppers. The lighting out here in the morning is kind of crazy, but you can kind of see what we're working with here. Get that all toasted up and we'll go to the next step. Sausage, bacon, moving along. We'll set that over here to the side. Let this continue to toast up. Peppers, set that over there. Lay down a little avocado oil. Butter. Butter. Time for our eggs. Sorry about the shadows. Salt. Pepper. Okay, provolone. American. Sharp white cheddar. This is going to be kind of one of those foldy omelets. Is that a thing? Foldy omelets. Protein. Peppers. We'll take one side, fold it over. Take the other side, fold it over. Woo! Time to throw some cilantro on top, and then it's time to... I don't know, but I'm pretty hungry. Looking good. Plus, I got some new hot sauce that I'm going to try on it. Big old mega omelet. All right, so you saw the omelet. It's massive. It's big. It's meaty. It's cheesy. Let's have a little bite ski. Oh no. This is going good with my carnivore diet. Not the peppers, but no carb. I gotta try this. Arizona Peppers, Organic Harvest Foods, Organic Chipotle Habanero Pepper Sauce. Woo! Hello. All right, let's put some of this on. I wonder if it's ridiculous. How hot do you think this is going to be? Let's see here. Let's take a little look-see. Okay, I got some on. Got a big mega bite. Ooh. It smells spicy. Actually a good flavor. I like it. All right. Woo! A little bit spicy, but I like it. It has good flavor. All right, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Check out the merch. Support Babe. She really, really appreciates it. You guys are helping her out so much. And cooking with Big Cat 305. Your omelet was pretty amazing. And this one was pretty amazing. And the Blackstone for breakfast is also very amazing. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.